Hello everyone, Sam from Tonic. In this video I'm going to show you how to use your digital letterhead. You might have been supplied this by Tonic Branding, or you might have created one yourself, and as a client or a student you'd like to know how to actually use this digital letterhead. Why do we even use a digital letterhead? Why are we putting ourselves through the cringy process of designing things in Word or Microsoft Word? Well, that's because we are creative problem solvers and we solve this problem for our clients where they have an asset that they need to use, which is a letterhead, but they also need that to be branded. So that's where we bring those two elements together and we recreate whatever we've designed, possibly in Illustrator or InDesign. We recreate that in Word so that our clients have got access to this branded asset. Okay, in terms of how to use this file, basically what we're going to do is you'll head over to your Word document. As you can see, I've already got mine open here. I've just used my own company branding here as an example. So this is what it might look like. You'll be using Word, or this also applies to Google Docs. So we have our branding there at the top and our company details at the bottom. And then you'll see we have some font here that's editable. And this is actually typed in our brand font. So in other words, it's not a default Windows or Apple font. It is the font that we've chosen for our brand, and we've installed that font on our device so that we can actually type using our brand font. Okay, so this will allow us to create something that's wonderful and branded in terms of font as well as logos and colors. In terms of how to create this, I'll create a separate video on how to do that, but this is just on how to use it. So what we want to do is we want to create our document while it's still open in Word, and we can type anything that we would like to type. So you can see that this is totally editable. So is our body copy. So this will have been set up for you before it's been supplied. So you will be receiving something that looks like this. Now you might notice that the branding at the top here, as well as the company details at the bottom, they are looking quite faded. That's because we've used the header and footer functionality from Word to create the branding within the Word document. Now this is fine for internal use. If you want to create a letterhead and maybe send it on to your colleague to edit or review or add or change something, then that's 100% fine. However, if we want to start sending this out to external partners or external audiences, then we want to lock this, but not just lock it, but also create the branding so that it shows up nice and vivid. So basically all we're going to do is go to File, and you're going to save this as a PDF. File, Save As, and you can choose Browse, wherever you want to put that. I'll look for my desktop for now. And I can name it whatever I like. Letter to you. And instead of leaving it a Word document, you'll choose from the drop down and you'll select PDF. And that will basically flatten the entire document. It will make it uneditable without specific software. So it will make it uneditable for the most part to your recipient. So you won't be able to open it back in Word again and continue working on it once you've done this. But of course, you will also still have the Word version that you've just worked on. So that will exist, and then this is just like a copy in a different format. And then you'll click Save, and that will save your document to a PDF format, and that will also then ensure that our headers and footers show up nice and bright. So I've saved mine to the desktop. Let me quickly open that for you so you can see what it looks like. Desktop. Letter to you, open, and as you can see here, everything is showing up nice and crisp and clear and vivid in terms of colors. It's not faded. It looks very nice and professional, and that will allow you to send out branded letterheads. Thanks for watching.